Foshan Kindle Technology Company Limited, having a total area of 40,000 square meters workshop and around 410 staff workers whom worked here for many years. 95% of our products are exported to overseas. We has a reliable reputation at home and abroad. Our company located at Foshan City, China. We have a lot of advanced facilities ranged from 6 laser cutting machines, CNC punching and bending machines, welding robots, in-house automatic powder coating lines with 16 tanks. As a skilled manufacturer in off-road camping and outdoor products, Foshan Kindle Technology specializes in a wide range of products, such as canopies, ute trays, work trailers, flatbed trailers, truck campers, pit boxes, pontoon boats and aluminum boats, and so on. We can also customize the above products to fit for your requirements and needs. All our final products before shipment are strongly required to adhere to the quality management standard, and you can see SEDEX Ethic Report from the website. Besides, we enjoy a mature and stable team, including some experienced workers having been working in our company for many years, professional R&D engineers designing and researching new products, and our good quality control. Culture is important to us. That's why, at Kindle Technology, our business bases its goals on more than product and operations. We base it on the core beliefs that help our staff to succeed personally and professionally.